Hi friends, good morning. Next video from Dhruva Entertainment and Vidhu classes. Friends, this video from Intermediate Second Year Zoology, that is Unit 1B, Breathing and Exchange of Gases. This is VSQ friends, 2 marks question. What is it friends? Name the muscles that help in normal breathing movements. Name the muscles that help in normal breathing movements. Friends, we have inspiration and expiration. During inspiration, air enters into the lungs. During expiration, air goes out from the lungs. For this, we need some muscles to increase the area of the lungs. Okay, friends? So, what are those muscles we have to write, friends? Okay, friends, now come, friends. Muscles of diaphragm and intercostal muscles help in normal breathing movements, friends. What are the first muscles, friends? Muscles of diaphragm. Friend, diaphragm is a muscular structure which separates thoracic cavity and abdominal cavity. This diaphragm is a dome-shaped structure. The muscles of diaphragm play an important role in respiration, friends. These muscles are called as what, friends? Phrenic muscles. The muscles of diaphragm are called as what, friends? Phrenic muscles. In addition to that, we have intercostal muscles. Friends, here coast means ribs. Friends, these are the ribs. Okay? The ribs which are present, the muscles which are present in between ribs are called as costal muscles. These costal muscles are 2 types. Internal intercostal muscles, external intercostal muscles. Okay, friends? Now come to our answer, friends. See, muscles of diaphragm, you may call it as phrenic muscles, and external and internal intercostal muscles. These 2 types of muscles help in normal breathing movements. First, you write those 2 words, friends. One is muscles of diaphragm. What is the second one, friends? External and internal intercostal muscles. Now come to muscles of diaphragm, friends. Muscles of diaphragm, also called as phrenic muscles, friends. Muscles which are present in the diaphragm are also called as phrenic muscles. Phrenic muscles. They are present in the diaphragm, friends. Now come to what is their function. Contraction of the diaphragm, contraction of these muscles or contraction of the diaphragm increases the volume of thoracic cavity or thoracic chamber in the anterior-posterior axis. See, friends, diaphragm is a dome-shaped structure. When the muscles of diaphragm contracts or when the diaphragm contracts, the volume of the thoracic cavity or thoracic chamber increases in the anterior-posterior direction. Once again, friends, contraction of the diaphragm increases the volume of thoracic chamber in anterior-posterior axis. In anterior-posterior axis. Okay, friends. Now here you see, friends. See, friends. This is dome-shaped diaphragm. When it contracts, see, friends, it becomes flat. Then what happens, friends? The area or the cavity, the thoracic cavity, the area of the thoracic cavity or the volume of the thoracic cavity increases towards this anterior and posterior axis. Okay, friends? Now, come to the second type of muscles. What are they, friends? External and internal intercostal muscles. external and internal intercostal muscles. Friends, here costal means ribs. Means these are the muscles which are present in between ribs. These are ribs, friends. Now see, these muscles present in between ribs. These muscles present in between ribs. These are of two types, friends. External intercostal muscles, internal intercostal muscles. Now here you have to concentrate on external intercostal muscles. Contraction of the external intercostal muscles. Contraction of the external intercostal muscles lift the ribs and sternum. Friends, this is the ribs and this is the sternum. This is the breastbone. Lift the ribs and sternum and increase the volume of the thoracic chamber in the dorsoventral axis. See, friends, when diaphragm contracts, the volume of the thoracic chamber increases in the anterior-posterior axis. When the external intercostal muscles contract, the volume of the thoracic chamber increases the dorsoventral axis. Once again, friends, external and intercostal muscles. This is the second type of muscles which help in breathing. Okay, friends. Costal means ribs. These muscles are present in between ribs. What are those muscles, friends? External and internal intercostal muscles present in between ribs. Contraction of the external intercostal muscles. Contraction of the external intercostal muscles lift the ribs and sternum. Friends, lift the ribs and sternum and increase the volume of thoracic chamber in the dorsoventral axis. In the dorsoventral axis. See, friends, here you see this is inhalation. This is inhalation means what, friends? Air enters into the lungs. Here the lung volume or the thoracic volume increases due to contraction of the diaphragm and contraction of the external intercostal muscles. This is expiration. Here the diaphragm is getting its original shape, that is dome shaped. So the thoracic cavity, the volume of the thoracic cavity is decreasing, friends. So the air is going out. Okay, friends. Now see, friends, one more image. See, this is inspiration. Air entering into lungs. How it is, friends? Ribs and sternum raised due to contraction of the external intercostal muscles. See, diaphragm contracted. Okay, friends. Now due to these two actions, volume of the thorax increases. So now air enters into the lungs. See, friends, here. In opposite direction, ribs and sternum gets its original position. Diaphragm relaxed. So volume of the thorax decreased. So now the air is going out or air is expelled out from the lungs. This is expiration. Okay, friends. Now once again you remember, friends, what's your question? Name the muscles that help in normal breathing movements. You have to remember two words, friends. What are those two words? One is muscles of diaphragm. Second one is external and internal intercostal muscles. Once again, friends, muscles of diaphragm. Second one is external and internal intercostal muscles. Okay, friends. Thank you. Good day.